What's up, bag holders? Couldn't get enough, could you? All right, market's up. For those of you following the website, we had some activity this morning, but pretty slow day. Looks like a little bit of follow-up for Starbucks. Was something I believe we did on the video last night for a swing trade entry, and there it is. Starbucks. Make sure I got my numbers right here. Correctamundo. All right. Then when we woke up to the day and greet the day, money came to us. First, we start off with a little sell on tap. Who'd have thought making money buying purses? But ain't too proud, I guess. All right, keep it moving here. We also got rid of Harley Davidson. Maybe I don't even have it on here. I've been doing more throughout the day, and I don't know if they don't sync up. Yeah, they don't even have this one. But we sold this guy today in the morning, all before I got in the shower. Everything was good. Just one lot for each of these, so nothing crazy, but just nice, steady, rinse, repeat. Take the money. I'm not sure if we made it for enough to throw some cash in the charity or not, but we made a run for it. So we need to have this guy in here so we can lag it. It's only funny that's the ticker symbol picture because that's what everybody rips off at the local festival. It's just the outline. I don't know if I'll have enough money to do all these swings, but I kind of want to be in the game. I'd rather know about it and then not be able to take it than the other way around. Gap also was a good sell, and this is a good illustration right there of the shape. And that's the only reason I keep showing. This was a double lot, by the way, so a little bit nicer profits. It's the only reason I show all these. It's the same thing over and over and over again, but repetition is how we learn. And I just want you to see that it's the same shape in that it does work over and over and over again. Looks like we got rid of some Comcast too. Single lot, so nothing too special. Market never did go down today, so there was no buying for this kind of strategy. But I was ready to pull the trigger. I had all my screens up, ready to roll. And I had a prepared mind, and that's the thing. So when opportunity comes in, actually we had a better day than I thought. OLN sold. I just get so in the heat of the moment of, working that I lose all track. Single lot here, nothing too crazy. But I like this because it starts to get us more all into cash. And cash is what we will need to swing trade. All of the same stocks that we just flipped. MPC we bought. That's part of my war against inflation. I got gas. LKQ. It's the one we battle about talking about in the public account. I don't take it there, I take it here. It's just because I was busy at work and didn't have time to really look at the stuff. I looked at it briefly and made a decision, And but now it's been working, so I made 3% on it. So yeah, I'm going to keep doing it. So it seems to move to the pattern very well. Um, we're able to sell Polaris as well. Very nice. I don't even remember that one. Single lot. But that's the thing. The market goes red to green, red to green. As long as you're selling on the green days and buying on the red days, you're in flow with the markets. And that gives you not a guarantee by any means, but better odds for sure to pull profits. Then everything else was on the day trade side. So let's go ahead and add up our profits for today and see if we had enough to trigger a donation into the charity. We're nearing the end of the month, so that is very important, but we have made a few ads. We just did make it. So, that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. So the charity gets its money. I'll be damned, we made it today. I never would have thought. That's complete. All right, now go to income, monthly income. And I just try to keep them all level. So the lowest equity I have is the QQQY, which is a bunch of people that freaking day trade options. And since I can't do that anymore because I have a job, I let them do it for me. These aren't investment recommendations by all means. Do your own research. You're grown-ups. All right, and next is the spinoff, right? So we have a Unilever and MDU. Unilever is the smaller of the two for me personally. So let's try to level it up. And that will be queued until the market open. But awesome result. Awesome result. And that's not it. I mean, we made more money today. So let's get into that part of it. But the charity is well fed. That makes me feel good in my heart. And for the future of not only society, but my kids. And yeah, that's feel good right there. So as far as the day trading stuff, pretty much we had opportunity in the morning, and then it was kind of nothing, like all day. So you can see here from the buy to the sell at the open, the TQs. And these were all really good gains too because of the gap up over the night in the run. And I think I was actually slow to even sell, which worked in my favor. I was working. Looks like 3 lots. So unfortunately, not a huge position, but a great gain nonetheless. And it all adds up. 6.59% gainer overnight. And when you do that time in and time out and time in and time out and repeatable and every day, and like I said yesterday, comment below if you can find a video where I didn't sell stock. I do it every day. And when money flows through you like that, there's only one way to go as long as you keep a handle on your spending and you build wealth. That's just how it works. This one got a little bit more juice in here. 3, 6, 7 lots. Got a little difference on the position size as the account varied, but not too bad. I won't complain. All right, and the sell. Let's see how we did. It was similar, right? 3.35%, which is beautiful for an overnight. And you can see the same similar shape, right? We didn't get out over here, but we got out this morning, so even higher. Looks like we sold oil as well. Wow, we had a bigger day than I thought. It just seemed really slow to me, but I actually had some good work projects and I stayed really busy. And it's really strange how my income and net worth is going up dramatically as I increase my activity. This was a big position. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 lots. Yeah, huge position in oil. Not huge, but big for this strategy, right? The strategy is meant to be a really nice hedge when things go haywire. 1.64% returns, and it moves different than the other assets. So people will always wonder why I do this one because it doesn't make as much as the other one, right? But it's because it moves differently. Silver, we got a buying opportunity today, so that was nice to get into that. And that was all the transactions we did today. Pretty good day. Overall, the account was down. It's because Pfizer is being a turd right now. So, but it'll be a huge windfall when that sells. So, just patiently waiting and collecting the dividends. All we have left to do today is go through and look for swing trade entries and or sells. Oh, this has the green on it. I noticed it was really close, but I did have the green flag, so I guess this will be an opportunity to take the Qs, which will be awesome. I love trading the markets because, people invest in those just as normal folks. I'll try to get my head back in the game and get this going. I'm curious with the market being up, if there were opportunities to enter swing trades or if the market is still waiting. 191.76 over 191.54. This is an entry. Ask, you shall receive. Let's see if we got any of this. Oh, perfect. Putting the buy order in now. 193.49 is closing print. Keeping the position sizing to 1% of the account. Placed. It didn't fill. Did I put the order in wrong? I did. I was looking at your at the screen up here and not at what I was doing. 193.49. There we go. Just be easier if you just build it. All right, complete. And that's the price we got. Surprise, surprise. Market makers got me again. No problem. Just in case the market starts running up on me, it's nice that I have some positions I can ride the wave with it. Very cool. But now we get to take the flag off unless it triggers another 30 RSI. That's a new system I've been working with. I think it's going to be good to help alert me to positions. It's interesting for banking. This one's close. The little D coming on. Think we can make it for the D? Usually price runs up into the X date. So my prediction is maybe good odds. Maybe good freaking odds, you know? This thing ever hit again? No. I'd like it to go down there and tag that 30 again so I can lower my cost basis. This one's waiting too. 18, yeah. Need some time. I don't want to miss one because I do think that there's a opportunity here. One, that kind of surprises me. Go down here. Yeah, stay tuned next week for Where Does My Paycheck Go video. That's where I'll get into the income stocks. And we will have the week after, probably, we'll have statements again. And it will be really exciting to see what kind of dividends rolled in as we tore up the public account. We tow it up. And a heck of a month. And it's good right before sell in May and go away. That one's awfully close. I almost just blew right by it. There's a lot of stuff that could pop off if we go. And typically when you see a lot of stuff lining up, you know, all the stars are aligned, as they say. It could be a big move. And then when a lot of them are moving the same direction, it moves the overall market index, right? So when people say they don't know where the market's going to go, that's absolutely true. But there are indicators that hint at where it likely will go. But until these trigger, we're going down, right? Until these trigger, we're going down. And that's fine with me. I'm short the market. Maybe it's a stupid move, but I got a long-term short and just kind of hanging out. So I'm good either way. Take it up, take it down. I really don't care. Some BMO dividends coming. Even though we don't have it in this account, it's in the investing universe. So it's always cool to see a little D because that means there's cash coming in. It's been kind of slow, even on the investment account with dividends rolling in. So I don't know if this is just a slow time or a slow month of the cycle, but then I'll probably have a Monday where I get like a bunch, you know. But really, it doesn't matter. I just check the statement once a month is all I do. So, but it's nice, still nice to see the dividends roll in, right? That's it. Nice video. Not much opportunity, which goes to show you there's still the market is undecided. And for a little big picture, since we're already here and I'm rambling anyways, this is the weekly. We're going down. Does that mean that things will change? We're going to have the end of the month. If you look on the monthly chart, we're going up, right? It's above the averages. So this 497.65 over here could be a key level. And of course, you have a support zone right here, which will be at the 9-period moving average. So just a little thing to go on to be aware of. I don't make trading decisions based on that, but I do go short based on that. And it doesn't happen very often, but it's a pretty sweet setup, and it fits in with the normal market cycle. So there are no sure bets in the stock market, but I thought the odds were in my favor, and I'm not afraid. A lot of people are afraid. I am not afraid. And that's that. Have an awesome weekend. Hope y'all made some money this week and pulled in some cash flow, and we'll hit it again next week. Have a great weekend.